Hello everybody, this is Austin Beeman and I am here in Panama City, Panama in the old quarter, the Casco Viejo, the old Spanish city that is being restored and revived and is one of the hottest areas in Panama right now. I'm here with my 35mm film camera, the Olympus Trip 35, and it's one of my favorite cameras in the world. It has no batteries at all. It uses the solar power to pick the aperture and the shutter speed. And I'm going to put the camera that I'm looking at right now on top of this camera, and I'm going to walk through Casco Viejo, take a bunch of pictures on Portra 400 from Kodak, and then I'm going to show you the pictures and the walk around. So I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you very much. USA.
What state are you from? Panama?
Ohio.
You know why you're wearing long pants?
You're wearing long pants.
You see a white man, a black man with shorts, he's not Panamanian. How many days in Panama?
Only like 5 days.
In Panama, I was born on the Canal Zone.
Oh wow.
My grandfather dug the Panama Canal. So I got a free American education. I have dual citizenship. So you got the underground dungeon where James Bond, everyone that was where James Bond made his last movie.
Yeah.
Buy the famous Panama hats made in Ecuador.
Oh no, okay.
And Cuban cigar. But back there, you can take a picture of the high rising, the French Quarter back there.
Awesome, thank you, sir. Can I take a picture of you, sir?
No problem, my brother. I'm a tour guide.
All right.
My name is Conrad Grant. Not related to Ulysses Grant.
Now you do.
So what?